evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional in today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 5th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 0 stars. This one is a 4 stars Sudoku. Actually, it's not a 0 stars Sudoku. We have also another 4 star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. First one, Sudoku with 0 stars. Well, it's not a 0 stars Sudoku. Actually, this one has 24 printed digits. Yeah. If you compare with the other Sudokus, this will be a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars. Yeah. This will be number 6705. Yeah, 6705. And for 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Or more. Alright, so let's get started. Almost 2 minutes past. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3. Wait. We have here 2, 3 twos. We have here 2 threes. 1 4. No, 2 4s, and 1 2 3 4 5s. Alright, 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 5? Yes, 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this oh wait, we have a pair. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row, so no 7 and 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 and 5 in the middle column, so no 7 and 5 in those 3 boxes. This 7 and 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. Well, alright. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row. So no row between. The middle row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait with 3 9s here. 999, 666. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between and the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. Okay. Then need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column, 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5. And a 6 is missing. 1 3 6 1 3 6 1 3 6 1 3 6. Let me mark those. Okay, 1 3 6. So what are those 2 missing numbers then? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. 9 9, alright. 9 9. 999. Okay. Interesting. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between. I only place level 8. Should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 8, 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers and 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here and 8 in the second row. No 8 in that box, so the 8 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in the third row. 8 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place level 8. Should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. 8. Yeah, need to wait. Well, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, so the row above only 3 place level 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, no 8 there. Only place level 8 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Then 9, 8. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking. 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in the first row, so no 1 and 3 in these two boxes. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for the amount. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then need a 6 here. 6. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and a 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this second column, so no 6 and a 9 in these two boxes. 6 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Let me mark those. So I've eliminated the 8 here, 6 and a 9. So the 8 should be there then. So 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. So we have a pair now, the 4 and the 7 in this row, the 4 and the 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. And now. Okay, I've marked those two boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the second column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 6, and that box should be a 9. So this is 6, and this should be a 9. Okay, so 6, 6, okay. 7 and a 5, need a 5 here, need a 3 here, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing was 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the first column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes here. So 1, 2, 3 are missing in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 2 numbers left then. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. So 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Okay. 1, 3, and need a 2 here. 2, 2, yeah. 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. 2 in the middle row, 2 in the row above. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, 7, 6. 7 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in this columm. 7. So 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next on that column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 and 5. No. 1 and a 9. Yeah. 1, 9 and the 6. I need to wait. Here, 2 missing numbers here. We have a 7 and a 5. These 2 missing numbers then are the 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we need to wait about these 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have 3 in the we have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes appear. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 9 in this column, last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then. Can I count the 9s? And oh, the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Can I count the 6s then? And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Can I count the 6, 8, 9? Oh. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 7 and a 5, 1 and a 3. Come on. 3, 3. Ay. 9, 8. 6. 5. Need a 5 here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay. So now we have 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. 147, 147, 147. And look, we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and 7 are left. 1 and 7, I need to wait. 1, 7, and 3. 1, 7, okay. So we have a 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. A 1 box left in this first column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. A 1 box left in the last row for number 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers, also 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Told you for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. So is this a 4 stars puzzle? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars here. 2 stars puzzle. Because I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe I talk too long, talk too much in the beginning. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. So 2 stars, and I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.